Hey everybody, my name is Rhodes, Sales Director with PowerGistics. I'm here to talk to you a little bit about accessing the power bricks in our towers. We do offer them in a wall mount, freestanding, and rolling option. We do design the towers to stand on the floor, so the wall mount versions, it is very easy to access the power bricks. You basically just unscrew the wall mount screw a couple turns, and then from there it's just picking up and then rotating, setting it back on the floor there, and then it's very easy to access the rear of the tower there. And then I'm going to quick show you our Justice stands come without a door, so it's an open concept. You can very quickly and easily get to those power bricks. We do have an optional door on our Justice stand if you do want to lock those bricks up. And for our rollers, they do come standard with a door. The key is individual, so it's not the same key as what's on the front. It's very easy to just unlock the door, and then you can access the power bricks that way. If you're implementing all new power bricks, the door comes right up just like that. So thanks for taking the time to learn about power bricks.